Hello there, little explorers. Today we're going to go on a very gentle journey to discover a wonderful secret, a secret about the sky. We're going to find out all about rain. You know, sometimes when you look up, the sky is just so bright and blue. Other times it's filled with big, fluffy white clouds. And then, sometimes, gentle little water drops fall down from the sky. Let's find out why that happens, shall we? Okay, before our story starts, let's get our hands ready. We can just pause here for a moment. Can you hold up your hands and wiggle your fingers? Let's pretend they're soft, quiet raindrops falling down. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. That's lovely. So, our story begins with water. You can see it everywhere, can't you? It's in the wiggly rivers, the quiet lakes, and the big, wide sea. All the rain that falls from the skies starts right here, in the water on Earth. Now let's meet a very important friend in our story, the sun. The big, warm sun shines its golden light all the way down, right onto the rivers and lakes and the sea. It's like it's giving all the water a warm, sunny hug. And when the water feels that lovely warmth from the sun, something really magical starts to happen. It gets so light that it begins to float. Tiny, invisible drops of water start to rise, up, all the way up into the sky. Okay, let's pause our story and play a little game. Let's pretend to be the water. Can you slowly lift your hands up, higher and higher, just like that warm water floating up to the sky? That's it, reach up so high. Great! Now that our hands are way up in the air, let's say something together so we always remember. Ready? Let's say, water goes up. Let's try it one more time. Water goes up. You got it. So, what do you think happens to all those tiny water drops way up high in the sky? Well, up there, the air is a little cooler, and all the little water drops start to find each other. They gather together almost like they're meeting up for a big group hug. And as more and more of those tiny drops huddle close together, they make something that we can see, a big, beautiful, fluffy cloud. Yep, just like the ones we see floating by.
Well, that fluffy cloud just keeps on growing. More little water drops keep joining in, and the cloud gets bigger and bigger, and it also gets heavier. It's starting to feel very full now.
Pretty soon, that cloud becomes so full and so heavy that, oops, it just can't hold on to all those little water drops anymore. It's time for them to go on the next part of their journey. And so the water lets go and starts to fall gently from the cloud. Down it comes, drop by little drop. And we have a special name for this falling water. We call it rain. Let's pause just one more time. Can you show me your wiggling fingers again? But this time, let's move them downwards, making them fall gently, just like the rain falling softly to the ground. Pitter-patter, all the way down. And you know what? This falling rain is such a big helper. It gives a nice, cool drink to all the flowers and trees so they can grow tall and strong. It fills up our rivers and our lakes again, and it makes sure all the animals have fresh water to drink. Rain is a true friend to our world. Because rain does so many wonderful things, let's all give it a great big thumbs up. Yay for the helpful rain! So let's remember our whole wonderful story. We can say it together, like a little rhyme. Are you ready? First, the sun warms the water. Then, the water goes up. Next, the tiny drops make a cloud. And last, the heavy cloud lets the rain fall down. So you see, rain isn't just water falling out of the sky. It's a kind and wonderful gift that helps keep our whole Earth happy and healthy. And just like that, you know the secret of where rain comes from. Thank you for sharing this calm and wonderful story with me. You did such a lovely job